TechWise Academy.
Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind? Want to make money from the comfort of your own home? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we're going to reveal 10 legit methods to make money online in 2025. And the best part? No upfront costs required. Let's dive right in and explore these exciting opportunities that could change your financial future. First up, we have freelancing. With the gig economy booming, there's never been a better time to showcase your skills online. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, or programmer, platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are gold mines for finding clients worldwide. Next, consider starting a dropshipping business. It's a low-risk way to enter e-commerce without holding inventory. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can set up an online store and start selling products to customers globally. If you've got a knack for teaching, online tutoring could be your ticket to financial freedom. With the rise of remote learning, there's a growing demand for tutors in various subjects. Platforms like VIP Kid and Chegg Tutors make it easy to connect with students and start earning. Content creation is another fantastic option. Whether it's YouTube videos, podcasts, or blog posts, creating engaging content can lead to ad revenue, sponsorships, and even merchandise sales. Remember, consistency is key in building your audience. For those with a creative streak, selling digital products could be your path to online success. Ebooks, courses, templates, and stock photos are just a few examples of digital products you can create once and sell indefinitely. If you've got a keen eye for deals, consider getting into online arbitrage. Buy products at a low price from one marketplace and sell them for a profit on another. It's a simple concept that can yield impressive results with the right strategy. Virtual assistants is another growing field. Many businesses are looking for remote workers to handle tasks like email management, scheduling, and customer service. Sites like Fancy Hands and Zirtual can help you find virtual assistant gigs. For those who enjoy interacting with others, becoming an online community manager could be a perfect fit. Many brands need help managing their social media presence and engaging with their audience. It's a role that combines creativity with strategic thinking. If you've got specialized knowledge in a particular field, consider offering consulting services online. Whether it's business strategy, marketing, or personal development, there's always a demand for expert advice. Lastly, don't overlook the potential of affiliate marketing. By promoting other people's products and earning a commission on sales, you can build a passive income stream over time. Platforms like Amazon Associates and Share a Sale offer plenty of opportunities to get started. These are just a few examples of the many ways you can make money online in 2025. The key is to find a method that aligns with your skills and interests. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with dedication and persistence, you can build a thriving online business. So, which of these methods resonates with you the most? Are you ready to take the leap and start your online money-making journey? The opportunities are endless, and the time to act is now. Don't let another year go by wishing you had started sooner. Take that first step today, and who knows, by this time next year, you could be sharing your own success story of how you built a profitable online business from scratch. Remember, the internet has leveled the playing field, giving everyone the chance to succeed. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or aiming to replace your full-time income, there's an online business model out there for you. So what are you waiting for? Pause this video, pick a method that excites you, and start researching how to make it happen. Your future self will thank you for taking action today. Before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on more tips and tricks for making money online. We're here to support you on your journey to financial freedom. Until next time, keep hustling, stay motivated, and remember, the best time to start was yesterday, but the second best time is right now. Go out there and make your online dreams a reality.